Marc Miller introduces new Canada immigration pilots to boost rural and francophone communities. On March 6, 2024, Immigration Minister Marc Miller announced new immigration pilots for rural and francophone communities. These include the Rural Community Immigration Pilot and the Francophone Community Immigration Pilot, launching in the fall of 2024. The Rural Pilot aims to address labor shortages in smaller communities, offering permanent residence pathways for newcomers. The Francophone Pilot, based on the RNIP's success, will increase the number of French-speaking newcomers in Francophone communities outside Quebec, aiding their economic development and demographic growth. The community application process opens this spring, with more details to follow. Gunness Associates has helped thousands of international skilled workers successfully immigrate to Canada with their families. Our skilled and experienced immigration experts have the expertise to accurately examine your case and advise you on the best method of proceeding to best serve your needs. Call us at 416-604-2669. Email info@immigrationmatters.info.